Hello everyone, it's Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick video about some custom attachments. As mentioned in our other videos, we work with several factories that make attachments for excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders from 1 ton up to 80 ton machines. These attachments can be custom made, and to give it a try, we ask them to make us a blade bucket that can go on our 3.5 ton GT5350 excavator. So we'll give it a try and show you how it works. The idea behind the blade bucket is to be able to hook it onto the front blade of the excavator in order to move material. So let's say if you need to pick up some gravel and move it some distance, you'll be able to lower it in this bucket, pick it up with the excavator, move it where you need it to, and then dump it. At the bottom, here's where we have our blade hook. So the excavator will drive in from here and then lift it up. This will allow you to carry it. Then we have 2 bars. First bar, if you'll use your excavator bucket, you will just hook it up and lift it. Because it's off-centered, the weight in the bucket itself will cause it to tilt and unload. If you want to just pick it up with your excavator bucket without tilting, you will hook it for the lower bar, and then the bucket will stay level. Here's a close-up of the weld quality. Again, it's an experimental attachment for us. It was made as per our drawings. And we were able to define the thickness of the steel, amount of reinforcements. So if you have an attachment you want to try or you want to get, we can get it custom made for you. First, let's try to hook up the bucket with the front blade of the excavator. We'll lower the blade. Now we'll lift the blade. And the bucket is off the ground. And we can move it freely. Now, let's try to pick up some snow on the right of the excavator. Okay, and we can lift it if we need to carry it somewhere. Now we're gonna try to dump the snow. So first we're gonna drop the blade bucket. Just get to some level ground. And hook it. Then with the excavator bucket, we're gonna hook it at the top bar. And continue to curl. And now we have the full control. As you see, the blade bucket is empty. If you have any attachment in mind that you cannot easily buy and you would like it to get it custom made, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. JoyT5 makes attachments for machines from 1 ton to 80 tons, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Visit JoyT5.com for more information or call one of our dealers. Like and subscribe.